face.
Go two.
Mads,
Yeah?
I'm zooming in on you.
Let's go.
Mads, do you know how to zoom in?
From here.
Ooh! My turn. It's already turned.
Your turn.
Jordan. Okay. So, I think let's go now.
Wait, Matt, can I do dribbling down and shooting in the net?
What?
You're doing basketball.
Okay, whatever. I'm gonna shoot in there. Oh, did you get it? What?
Try to dink it.
Okay, second go. Let's start with a. Keep your eye on the ball. But yeah, you get it. He got it in. Let's go!
I'll dribble down here and take it.
Okay. Trying to shoot in. Wow, you did it. My turn.